Hello everyone, my name is Sonam Sandhu and today I'll discuss common words which can be used in any essay writing. I'll not be discussing many words here but like 5 to 10 words only which will be helpful in any essay. So let's get started with the first word, but before starting I would like to mention one thing here. You must use the word when you are 100% sure about it. Need not to देखो, one thing that matters here the most is knowledge of a particular word. If you are not 100% sure about the word, we'll be using it incorrectly. In order to use like it correctly, we must have the knowledge. So instead of using it incorrectly, we must not use the word because that would deteriorate our score. Isliye I'll always recommend that you should have proper knowledge, and this is the way I'll be explaining. The way I'm explaining, I'll recommend you to have the knowledge of each and every word in such a manner only. Let's get started with the first word, and the first word is inevitable. What is inevitable? Inevitable means some situation. Inevitable basically means unavoidable या फिर certain to happen, a thing which is sure to happen, some unavoidable thing क्योंकि जिसे हम avoid ही नहीं कर सकते हैं, that is inevitable. Inevitable basically is an adjective, and adjective means something which is qualifying the noun, something which is adding something to the noun. So adjective is a word which is adding something to the noun. So जब भी मैं noun के बारे में कुछ add कर रही हूँ, I'll be using adjective, and I have given example also. Due to increasing pollution and deforestation, these are the true problems. Due to increasing pollution and deforestation, the problem of global warming has become inevitable. So जो global warming की problem है वो हो चुकी है inevitable. It is unavoidable because of these two issues. So this is the way we'll be using our first word. Let's proceed with the second one. So the next word is undermine. Undermining something, as the name suggests, किसी चीज़ को inferior feel कराना, lessen the ability of. So किसी भी चीज़ की ability if it's decreasing, then the word is undermine, and undermine is basically used as a verb always, means lessen the ability. Preservatives undermine the growth of microbes in food. The preservatives are occurring as an agent which are undermining the growth of microbes. जो microorganisms हैं उनकी growth को undermine कर रहे हैं, lessen कर रहे हैं उनकी growth को food में. This is what they are talking about. This is the way you will be talking about the word. You will be using the word undermine, and you can use the same word in your speaking as well. Now I'll discuss next two words. So the word is detrimental. Detrimental is basically an adjective, and adjective which means deleterious, hazardous, or something which is harmful. So how can we use this word? Smoking is affecting the life of many people in a detrimental way. तो smoking क्या कर रही है? Is affecting the life of many people in a detrimental way. You'll see the sentence on the screen so that you get to know the best of it. Okay. Next word is prolong. Prolong, as the word suggests, extend the duration of. It is a verb which means extending the duration of. So preservatives, what are preservatives doing? Preservatives prolong the shelf life of various commodities. So काफ़ी सारे commodities की जो shelf life है वो increase कर रहे हैं, and preservatives are prolonging the shelf life. So we have used the word prolong in such a manner. Conventional, the meaning of this word is ordinary, typical, or common. Something which is very common, which is typical, that is conventional. Conventional is basically an adjective. And how can you use this word conventional? Conventional can be used with some approach, with some system, with some method. So it is a conventional method. The procedure of managing the waste is conventional because abhi there are no latest technology when it comes to waste management system. The procedures which we have been using for a long time are quite conventional, quite ordinary या फिर typical हैं. But इसी को ही मैंने बोलना है कि like the methods have due to advancements in technology, the methods of waste management or the type of the methods of waste management have changed a lot, and it has become unconventional, different हो गए हैं, uncommon हो गए हैं. These two are used as an adjective only. So these are the words which basically are adjectives only. We'll be using the words with the Method, right collocation for this word is conventional or unconventional method, approach or system. So with these three words which we can use conventional and unconventional, and I'll recommend you to, I'll actually give this homework to you. You need to prepare sentences on these two words and answer me in the comment section. I'll check it for you and give you a thumbs up. Let's proceed further with our other words. I'll tell one more word here, that is irrational. Irrational is illogical. So due to irrational thinking of our modern society or due to irrational thinking of the masses, the problem is arising. क्योंकि irrational thinking है, so problem is arising, proliferating. So irrational means illogical. Irrational is basically, agar if we talk about the word irrational, it is also an adjective, but it means illogical and it can be used with thinking, with perspective. We can use the word irrational. I believe ये आपको समझ आ गए these three words also. Now we'll get started with, we'll discuss some more words. So the word is exorbitant. Exorbitant means something which is high priced and expensive, something which is overly priced. We can also use the synonym overly priced, expensive here. It is basically an adjective and it can be used for clothes, gadgets or any other accessory, some noun like something which you find exorbitant. So like the fashion, the designer's clothes are always overly priced. The exorbitant designer clothes can be afforded by the riches only. So ये जो exorbitant clothes हैं can be afforded by the riches only, can be bought by the riches only. It cannot be purchased by the commoners. So this is the way we have used the word exorbitant. And the next word is curb. Curb means keeping in check something और किसी चीज़ को lower करना, restrain कर देना. So she promised that she would curb her temper, मतलब she'll check, keep in check of her temper. So उसने ऐसा promise करा. She promised use करा था, इसीलिए I have used would later on. Promised already past में मैंने बोला she promised that she would curb her temper. This is the way we have used these two words. Now last word. So the word is debatable. Debatable is something which is arguable, which cannot be denied. मतलब it cannot be denied as in the sense people are arguing about it, people are debating about it. It can be easily used in discussion essays. So prefer using this word in introduction itself. Whenever we are talking about any cause, any problem, we can use this word, as in the problem of global warming or the global warming has become a debatable topic in the present scenario. So the last word is demographics. Demographics is basically a word, it is a noun and it can be, demographics होता क्या exactly? Statistics जो कि show करते हैं average age या average income, उसे हम बोलते हैं demographics. Demographics एक noun की तरह use होता है, जैसे कि the producers were looking for a show that would appeal 18 to 34 demographics. Here I am talking about the age group कि जो producers थे they were looking for a show जो कि appeal करे 18 to 34 की audience को, 18 to 34 demographics को. So this is the way I have used the word demographics. Now I have explained total of 12 words in this video. I wanted to explain 10 but 2 I have added. When I was explaining, I thought I wanted to add those 2 words also. So I have added those 2 also. Start using these words in your essay writing. In case you are facing some problems as far as the usage is concerned, you can ask me in the comment section and I'll definitely answer. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Share it with your friends because this might benefit many students who are facing problem with the vocab. And these are the common words which can easily be used. Remembering 40 words, 50 words or maybe 60, 70 words is difficult prior to a week. So when you have exam next week, you can remember these 12 words and proceed further with this. I wish you best of luck and thanks a ton for watching the video.